Hey guys, it is, I don't know what day it is, I don't know what time it is, I don't know anything because these two have not let me live for the past 48 hours. I don't have any makeup on right now, so I'm sorry for the inconvenience. I'm babysitting my mom's dog and she was doing fine the first day, but now she's like so incredibly needy. So I really want to get a lot done today, but it's becoming harder by the minute. I look rough right now because I did not sleep. I honestly woke up like 4 times to take her outside in the middle of the night. Our goal today was to go vintage furniture shopping, and it was a big fail. We got donuts at
traffic least. Shopping.
Yeah, we got a lot of traffic to come over here, and now we're gonna get probably more traffic to go back.
Welcome to Miami with the traffic zone.
I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time and doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time and doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright.
Just taste it. I like that. It's
I want to show you guys my outfit because it's embarrassing. I look like a 16-year-old hipster. If you thought the outfit couldn't get any worse, here are my Adidas slides. This is what happens when all of your loungewear is dirty. I'm currently doing laundry and this is the only thing I could find to wear around the house. So yeah, here we are. I also have, I don't know if you guys can see, I also have this rash on my neck. And I do not know what it's from. It's probably some kind of contact dermatitis, but it's really, really itchy. I've been putting aloe on it and it kind of takes away the itchiness a little bit, but oh my god, it's so like, what? I look like somebody tried to strangle me. So I'm gonna have to cover this up before filming. So I just finished filming. I'm importing now and I wanted to show you guys some new shoes that I got because I haven't done a haul or like unboxing or anything in a while, and it's like way overdue. I have so many things that I want to share with you guys. These shoes right here, which are my by far little kitten mules, they just go with so many different things. I want to do a lookbook and you guys said that you wanted one, so I think I'm gonna do one. I got these, which are from Intentionally Blank. They're like a cream colored mule and I like them because it has this detail right here, so it makes them kind of unique, and the heel is kind of like bigger than the actual shoe. And I also got these from By Far. These are a size 40. I'm usually a 9, but I got these in a 39 and they were a hair too small, so these fit perfectly. I've never been a fan of like heels because I'm taller, my feet are not meant for heels, and I don't get a lot of wear out of them, but I think that a big part of the reason why I was never very into heels is because I never found the right pair. So these are heels that are very comfortable. I feel like they elevate all of the outfits that I wear them with. And I think that I'm done. Oh, I also forgot to show you. I didn't have like sandals. That's why I purchased a lot of like spring and summer shoes. So I got these from A.Emery. So they look like this and they just tie up, but I like how it's a very like minimal design. And then finally my last pair are these by M. Parsons, and they just look like this, and they're a very minimal like slide because it doesn't have like a back piece. It's like a barely there shoe. So yeah, that's my spring and summer shoe haul. I desperately needed like sandals. So I just got this dress in today, hence the lack of steaming or ironing, but I just unpacked it and I'm not wearing the right bra for it, but I really like it. It's from Under the Stories. Everything that I've like ever tried on from them fits beautifully, and it's like a thick sort of material. And yeah, I desperately need to steam it, but I love wrap dresses so much. It is Wednesday, April 10th. You guys may notice that I'm in another car. I'm in a truck and it's not Rogers. This is a rental because I wasn't even gonna talk about this because honestly, like, kind of over it at this point. But they crashed into my car again. I've had my car for like 9 years and 95% of the crashes happened within 1 year. So they crashed into me like 3 times in a year. So yeah, it was a kid. He must have been like, I think he was like 19, 20 years old. And he was texting and he just rear-ended me while my car was stopped. So that's how my week is going. So I got a truck because clearly people don't see me in my car. I have a smaller car and I'm over it. It's a rental until I get my car fixed. Hopefully it doesn't take too long, but this is where we're at right now. I really have to give it to all of these girls on YouTube who look so presentable every single day of the week. Like, that could not be further from the case with me, okay? Like, I look just, you know, this is what you're getting from me. It just really sucks. Like, I've said it before and I'll say it again. It really sucks when you really take care of your stuff and then, like, there's nothing you can do about your surroundings. There's nothing you can do about people texting and driving and rear-ending you while your car is stopped. I just got this package from NARS. It's their new orgasm line. So exciting. Oh my god, their packaging is so extra. I love it. So this is the palette. It's an eyeshadow palette. This is like the section I'm gravitating towards right now. But I'll have to try everything out. This color is really pretty too. And so is this one. I guess they're all pretty, but I don't know how I'm gonna wear those. This is a little oil infused lip tint. These are some like shimmery drops. Excited to try these as like a natural like beachy look. By the way, please don't mind my nails. I'm doing them next week before leaving on vacation. And then this is of course their orgasm blush, which I actually have this or had in the old packaging. But for some reason this one looks like way less shimmery than the one that I used to have. So these are actually for the eyes, cheeks, or lips, so they're not powders. Do you see that little sheen? Love it. Really excited to play around. This one looks really pretty. I think I want to use like either this one or this one just all over my lid and make like a glossy lid type of effect. So I'm on my way to get some clothes altered that I'm going to take on vacation. Hopefully they can alter it. And I gotta say, after having this truck for like 2 days, I kind of want a truck. And I don't really care for new cars. I just like the fact that this car is bigger. It has a wow, this kid is on a scooter in front of me and that thing makes more noise. Poor thing. It's probably driving, I think you can see it. Probably like driving that thing to school and back. Poor thing. He's going like 10 miles per hour. Anyways, so yeah, don't be surprised if I come on here doing car vlogs in like a huge truck. I'm just tired of people crashing into me. Like, what does a girl have to do for people to see her on the streets? Microphone, testing microphone, 1, 2, 2. Someone got a haircut. I don't know what's going on with his eye. They probably got a little shampoo in his eye. But they left this little lion tail thing on him, and it's the funniest thing I've ever seen in my life. Let me see your tail, buddy. And he has all these spots that come out when they shave him. You look like a little hyena. I just got home from the gym. Took my hair out of a bun. And it's time to do a treatment. I haven't done a treatment on my hair in a very long time, so I'm way overdue. So I'm gonna do Olaplex and then I'll deep condition in the shower. I need to cut my hair, which I will do when I get back from Mexico. I came outside to let my mask set, and because it's a really nice day out. Please excuse Dexter running back and forth. Yeah, it's a really pretty day out. So I just came to let like the heat get in my hair and to just smell some fresh air. And surprisingly, there's not that many mosquitoes right now, which is really rare. Extremely rare in Miami. Oh, the mosquitoes are already. They're out. It's time to go back inside. Let's do a time lapse. It is Tuesday and I'm getting ready to film, and I wanted to show you guys this oil infused lip tint that I got from NARS that I showed you. I like it by itself. It gives like a little pink, like natural tint to your lips, and the oil is perfect because it's not super sticky. So this one is just very smooth, but I tried it the other day on top of a lip liner and like a lipstick and stuff like that, and I really like it. It just really plumps your lips. So right now I'm wearing, what am I wearing? I don't even know what I'm wearing. I think it's, yeah, it's this one. This is the NARS Take Me Home Velvet Matte Lip Pencil, and it's also like a new one from them. It's like sort of a terracotta color. It's a little less orange than terracotta, but I really like it. It's like different than the typical nude that I always wear. So you just throw it on top, and it doesn't really alter the color at all. I don't know if you can tell the difference between the bottom and the top. It just gives the most beautiful sheen and makes your lips really pop. It'll tone down a little bit because I know it's like super glossy right now, but I love it. It transforms every lip product that I put on. So yesterday you guys saw me apply my Olaplex, which I haven't done in a while, and I find that every time that I do that, it kind of helps my texture, like it revives my hair texture, and it adds a ton of shine. I've just been letting my hair air dry. Like I let a cast form very well, and then I scrunch out the crunch, and I just have like waves and stuff. I don't really get ringlets unless I diffuse, but it's fine. So, well, I kind of have a little ringlet here. It's like this little guy. Yeah, I haven't updated you guys on my hair. I am probably gonna do an updated hair routine because I have not been diffusing my hair. I'm just still experimenting with different products and things. So yeah, I'm just gonna close out this vlog here. I'll see you guys in my next one. Yeah, my next vlog is gonna be a Mexico vlog, so stay tuned for that. And that is all. And look how jealous she is. Look at him. He is so over it right now. Let me clean my screen. I need to go get a pedicure.
Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open